Signora, sono via voi Costantini. Signora, you can be the king, no worries.
Yeah?
Diciamo, ha fatto rubare. Il nostro disco che suona. Ladies and gentlemen, on the white boat you can buy the tickets. The price for going is 14. This is just the price for going. My job myself is extra. After when we come out, Papa, lay down, keep your hands and arms. Take off, and better without. Okay. Oro è fresh. Oro è tanta freschi,
I'm alright.
Suspa. E se lo che lo proprio. Se lo che lo porta di spaccare. Cuccioletto, good luck, it's my first time. Oh mamma mia. Perfetto! Get up, ladies and gentlemen, look behind you, the color of the sea. Look behind me, sir.
Come מאחוריך?
The sunlight come here from the entrance and reflect the white sand on the bottom. The light here is all natural. We have 20 meters deep here, 60 feet above the Like it?
Yeah.
It's good? 2,000 years ago, this was the private swimming pool of Tiberius, Roman Emperor. On your right side, on the road, you can see the private passage of the king for going up in his castle on the top of the island. You see the tunnel, lady? Here. And Tiberius used that tunnel for going up in his palace on the top of the island, in the Capri.
Okay.
La mia vita per la vita ti darò. Ogni giorno, ogni istante, dolcemente io, come prima, più di prima, amerò. Please, lay down. Oh my God.
Wow.
Perfetto!
Thank you very much.
How was it, ladies and gentlemen?
It's very good.
Good?
Wonderful.
Everybody's alive?